Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
MOSSY Oak Field Dressing Kit, Portable Butcher Game Processor Set, 8-piece. 8-piece Big Game Field Dressing Kit in box, 8 3/4 wood bone saw, steel stick brisket spreader, 7.5 caping knife, 9.5 gut hook skinner, 10 boning knife, tungsten carbide V-Sharpener, red game cleaning gloves. 8.7 wooden bone saw. This bone saw with the clever blunt hook tip would avoid breaking the bladder or intestines virtually, ensuring meat not harmed during dressing. The serrations are configured to increase efficiency with T-handle and innovative hook tip, 5 serrations, 1.9 mm thickness, 4.1 ounces 7.5 caping knife. This smaller fixed blade caping knife with 3.4 blade features finer point and smaller scale, more suitable for smaller game, 2.85 mm thickness, 2.8 ounces 9.4 gut hook skinner. This fixed blade hunting knife features a 3.9 fine edge blade with gut hook, 3.2 mm thickness, 6.3 ounces, designed for quick and efficient processing of game. Material and design. Each stainless steel item in this field dressing kit is made of 3CR13, equipped with camouflage handles and full tank constructions that offer durability over the long haul. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.